morning, everybody. It's like 9:02 a.m. and I am very dead right now. As you can see, I'm gonna need coffee before I do anything for my day. I have friends coming. My voice hurts a little because it's probably dry AF. So let's go downstairs to make breakfast. Okay, so a review on Emma's coffee. I got it finely ground, and it was too coarse though, so I'm gonna put it through a grinder, and it's actually very good. I was fully awake, so Emma, hey, if you're watching this, you're probably not. But anyways, I loved her coffee. It definitely woke me up. I'm not dead anymore, which thank goodness. But let's go move everything so I can have like a clean room.